No, they're used to all of us.
So the other one is green and the other one is blue. Are they male and female?
I don't know.
Is that sulky, honey? What kind of chicken is that one?
Those are geese. They attack.
No, the other one.
I don't know.
The white chicken.
I don't know.
What kind of rooster is that one?
What's that?
What kind of rooster is that one?
I don't know.
We have enough.
They're mean. Yeah, go in there. Touch them.
What kind of rooster is that one? The baby.
Huh?
What kind of rooster is that?
It
Oh.
won't get any bigger.
How about the other one? Silky? What's called on Silky?
There's a silky in there.
Yeah. You have a lot of animals already out, Melinda.
What's that?
There's a lot of